Welcome. I am today discussing here advanced timing analysis under the section of static timing analysis. In earlier case we have discussed how to calculate setup and hold timing of any sequential with given minimum and maximum path delay. So in today's discussion we are going to focus on how this timing analysis to be done with variation. Variations in the circuit exist due to the PVT. PVT stands for process voltage and temperature. Due to the manufacturing variation, two different circuit or two different device does not contain the similar feature. There are must certain variation arise due to the manufacturing variation or limitations. Similarly, there are certain region like changing of temperature, changing fluctuation into the voltage. There are some percentage every parameter going to change. So these are known as the PVT variation. When I go, but these variations are more crucial when we are discussing here the when we're discussing here the clock and data path. So today in the today I will focus on what is the OCP variation, what are the region for variation, now how these going to affect the timing analysis or timing constraint, or finally today I will discuss about CPP, common path pessimism. Let's start for today. So PVT, first of all start with the PVT variation. So PVT variation tell like we have discussed that two region of CMOS IC or two region of VLSI IC does not maintain the identical PVT condition. So there are this due to the chemical properties, CMP policing or lithography diffusion. There are different region. So due to which we will get certain variation. So different region are first of all dissimilar process or environmental parameter, or different in process supply voltage, or difference in the temperature. Like in the one IC, every corner of IC does not maintain the equal temperature or equal power supply. So these are the certain region within a process a die. Suppose in a one lot there are multiple in the one lot multiple wafer has been fabricated. Now PVT going to this variation can be exist lot to lot, it can be dia to dia or wafer to wafer. Okay, so now due to this PVT variation we can have the in the software we have model that our device can be either slow or our device can be fast. So this is known as a slow corner or fast corner, and it is necessary that our device must be validated in all the combination of corner, then only we can go for fabrication. So now what are the region these differences are arising, or different region for the PVT are the IR drop along the dia. We can have the threshold voltage variation due to the PMOS and MOS, the channel length variation between the devices, temperature variation we can have due to the interconnect metal etching, and thickness of the thickness which impact the interconnect resistance or capacitance. These are the certain reason why this PVT variation we need to include, or our device design must be validated on the all the corners, slow corner or fast corner. Now think about the OCV. What is the mean by OCV? Stand for on chip variation. So we are going, whenever we are going to perform STA of the DUA when a smaller circuit. So within this on chip, how much variation going to exist due to the variation can be in the clock path or it can be data path. Now how they affect the complete timing constraint. So OCV is the intrinsic variability of semiconductor process and their impact on timing. So OCB variation can lead to the affect the delay. It can affect the wire delay or it can affect here the cell delay. So PVT variation is local. So we can say the PVT variation can local to a single single dia, but OCB variations are sorry So in this case, what is the PBT variation are low, we can consider local variation with a single die, but OCB variations are more pronounced on clock path and which travel the distance, longer distance into the chip. So clock and data path can be affected differently by the OCB. So due to this variation, so we can have different variations. So in the diagram which I am showing, the clock path going to decrease by minus x%. So minus x is my delay. So how much percent the actual cell delay going or wire delay going to vary. But we have seen clock path going to decrease by minus x, but that is my capture clock path. But that clock path, but launch clock path going to increase by plus x, data path going to increase by plus x, which is showing here the plus x percentage. So what is region here, what is the a crucial observation is launch clock path and launch data path, this delay going to increase, but capture clock path is going to decrease. So now we are going to discuss today how the setup and hold time going to behave with these variation. So STA now clock and that, okay, so STA can include with the, okay fine, so variation of these delay either which can have the fast or slow data path or clock path. With this variation we can have either fast slow data path clock or slow data path clock path. Okay, so these are the main due to the OCB variation, our data path, clock path, wire delay and cell delay going to vary by time. Now how in the tool, in the STA tool, there is one parameter known as the D rate. The D rate, this is a one terminology or one command which used to give the variation. So this variation can be the plus minus, either we can measure here the 10%, 20%, 15%. It is user defined. So OCB D rate, in this slide I am showing here the how can be produce delay or how can be mention the variation into the wire delay or cell delay. So now what you are seeing here, the long path delay are multiplied. So generally what we have to do, whatever the parameter they have given, that should be multiplied by the particular delay multiplied by the given parameter. So if I say D rate minimum or shortest path or earlier path, D rate minimum path by minus 20%. So final delay will become here 80%. Okay, so in this case the final delay will become here at so if I am going to write here the final delay will become 80%, which written here the final delay 80. So if I say that derate the maximum longest delay by 10%, it will become the maximum delay by late delay or longest delay by 1.1. So complete delay will multiply by 1.1. So we have the time method is set timing derate minus early, set timing derate minus late. These are the method how can we model the any derate factor into the delay. So longest path delay are multiplied, shortest path delay are multiplied by the specified value. If derate is not given, so by default we can assume 1. So now I have listed certain example how can we model the derate factor. So derate of cell delay, so if I am going to suppose if I want to say early path or shortest path by 10%, so there is no and no derate on the late path. Okay, so it means shortest minimum path reduced by 10%, longest path have the no change. So we can write say timing derate minus cell delay. So we are going to measure the cell delay minus early, it is reduced to the 0.9, late path there is no effect 1.0. In the second example I am showing here the set one in net delay. So we have going to apply net delay, no derate apply on the early path and late path by plus 20%. What meaning of that? So there is early path, there is no change on the early path, but longest path it will become 1.2. Okay, it increment by 20%. So set timing derate apply over the net delay minus early 1, set timing derate minus net delay minus late. So late path maximum delay path going to increment by 1.2. Now third option is wherever cell delay apply over to a specific setup and hold parameter of the threshold. Setup and hold parameter of the flip flop. So this one method is we have to do the cell check. So cell check is a command dedicated for setup and hold check. So now in this example which I am showing here the set. In this example I am showing here the setup and hold check of the particular flip flop. So set timing derate minus early 0.8 cell check. So this cell check apply 0.8, it means setup and hold time will reduce by 20%. Similarly second example, set timing derate late minus late 1.1 minus cell check. So setup and hold delay will increment by 10%. So what we have observed here that due to the OCB variation, the cell delay, wire delay, it is going to either increment or decrement by the particular value. So that value to be set into the command set timing derate minus early if you want to reduce the timing value, minus late for the longest path, which will increment by the particular value will multiply with the given time. Continue with the next slides.